afternoon, boys and girls. Are you ready to see where Dr. Seuss will take us today? First, let me give some shout outs. Hello to Brody and Jack. Hi, boys. Now, let's get started on our news story. Go, dog, go. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs, black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? Goodbye, goodbye. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog and a blue tree. A blue dog and a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. Who knew there were red dogs and blue dogs? Did you? Seems kind of silly. One dog up on a house, 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water, a dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go round again. The sun is up, the sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Some silly dogs. Dogs at work, work. Dogs work. Dogs at play, play. Dogs play. Who knew that dogs could play baseball? Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again? Going away. Going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. What are those dogs doing up there? Now it is night. Night it is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. That's a lot of dogs. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up! It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. There's the big tree. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree. To the tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party? A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party. Look at all those dogs. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat! I like it. I like that party hat. Remember, they've been talking this whole time in the story and they didn't like the hat. But now they do. He likes her hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's the end. The Cat in the Hat. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.